So I have a jar here which is full of messages from Caliber team. So nana ko'y nabasa 5 ka messages pag outing na mo last Sunday, but then wala na ko na carry. So karon ako tiwason og basa. So akong gidala siya diri sa mga. So I'm recording this one so I have something to look back a few years from now. So this is something I'll remember because they are very special to me. Love you guys. So I'll start with, so ako lang basahon ang message but I will not mention their names na lang. Letter me. Okay. Oh. Hello. Iyang gi-attach ang letter or ang note which is from my locker. Actually, namalihog ko din niya keep sa ako ang note na nasa akong locker since nakalimtan ako. Thank you. Long, ibong gipapilit ha. Guba na niyang message. Miss, life wouldn't be the same without you. I never take for granted the support, kindness, and laughter you bring into my life. Your presence of making everything better, and I appreciate you more than I can express. I'm so lucky to call you my friend, and I miss you and I miss you so much. Jack Silog. And thank you sa spoon. Lifesaver kayo. Yes, nako gibilin nga spoon sa akong locker so wala naman ako siya gidala. So ako nagatag sa iya. Thank you. Thank you. Laki. Okay. So actually this person is also close to me, man said. Thank you sa help and support, miss, and take care always. You're welcome. I'll see you around. Hope di na ka mag-overbreak ha. Ayaw na pag-overbreak and over-lunch, okay? Wow! Mura siyag ano? Story. Or unsa ni siya? Walay name. Ay! I'll cover this one. So I'll continue this one. I will gonna miss you for sure. Nothing beats how patient and understanding you were as our trainer. I appreciate you big time. As I've mentioned, Caliber won't be the same without you. You are with us from the very beginning. All the outings and food trips. God knows we are hoping for you stay longer. But we also understand that there is an endeavor that awaits for you. Venture that truly deserves you. Your future colleagues will also be very lucky to have you. Aside from the patients, they will meet a pretty kind and amazing woman. May the Lord grant all your heart's desires and guide you on your journey ahead. Mahal po kita, miss. Thank you. This person is also so close to me, sad. I will miss this person. So later na lang ako na siya ibalik. And then, hi miss, thank you for being such an amazing trainer. Your encouragement, patience, and knowledge have made a huge difference in my fitness journey fitness journey. I'm incredibly grateful for your support in helping me. 감사합니다. So sweet man. Oy. So actually, she's one of the newbies. So wala pa gid kay ko naka-band ani nila, but she's one of the sweetest sa newbie. And I have another one here. Ay. Taas-taasad ni. So akong kabira na lang yung last part. Or dili na ako. Pakitaan na lang. I'm writing this letter to you because dako kayo kag impact sa team. When I heard nga mo resigned na daw ka, mura kog nawagtangan og gana kay ikaw ra jud naka-appreciate sa mga agent, and thank you kaayo mi sa tanan. What if ang homeless nga bata mo eskwela asa man sad niya buhaton iyang homework? Wow, gitagaan ko niya. Riddle. Walay ni kinsa ni siya nga handwriting. Anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate you big time. And then we're sad to see you go, Jackie, but we're happy for you and your new opportunity. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Thank you for being a fantastic coworker and friend. Wishing you the best of luck in your future endeavors. Thank you. Kini siya is usa sa siya nga na-close na ako since day 1 pagka-liber. Generous nga person. Sig panghatag og food. Actually, suruyon kaniya sa imong station just to give food. Di ka magman. Ano siya name? Hi there, this is... Oh! Well, I'm reading. Murag nakadungog na ko sa imong tingog. Are you calling for about an existing loan or a new application? Hi Miss, how are you? Thankful kaayo ko nga kaabot pa ko nimo before ni resign, and also best trainer of all time. Good luck sa imong journey, Miss. I wish you all the best. Thank you. So usa sa mga person nga kanang approachable, wala siya libog. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Remember mo ko sa kung sa imong name. Sige. Thank you for your guidance. We are grateful for everything you've shared with us. Wishing you all the best with your next journey. Thank you, thank you. Nikoyog na siya pag-outing, and kuan siya? Singer, talented. And next is thanks for everything. All caps ihang message. Wala na siya paligoy-ligoy pa. Thanks for everything. Take care always, and God bless. So this person kay naasad ko, dako ka na siya growth sa account. Silent to siya nga person, but then later on nakighalubilo na sad siya. And I'm so thankful kay pag outing or last outing is ni Kuya good siya. So thank you. And then okay, so kinisad usa sa mga dakog baba sa caliber. I will forever cherish all the memories that we've made together with the team. You've made work life so much bearable. Magkita patapuhon, Miss. Tagay pata usab. Hahaha. Good luck and God bless. Wow, patagayon ko niya. I have. Joke. And then another one. Wala na'y sig ingon sa ako amis na mag-outbound ko. Pak. Thank you so much, Miss, for all the efforts and support that you've poured towards us. Thank you kaayo, Miss, sa taas na pasensya bisag badlungon kaayo, mi. Caliber team loves you. Wish you luck on your future endeavors. Oh, kini siya. Kanang sigig avail. Taas ko siya avail time, so I always message her sa phone system. Pag outbound! Na. Thank you for the time you invested to us, new employees. It was truly amazing on how you helped us. I would not be whom I am today without your guidance and Sir Gerald. On the short time we spent, you had helped me a lot. Thank you so much again, Miss Chuck. You're welcome. So, I believe nga makaya na ginilim mo ang account. So right now, before ko ni-leave is, I know, struggle pa kagamay, but then later on, I believe in your capabilities and also your skills. So makaya ra ginanim mo. I don't have so much to say, but thank you so much for your patience during our training, also on guiding us until we learn those process. Short, but thank you. Ano na siya, silent to siya nga person, but then dako sa siya growth sa account, or until nga ni-resign ko, it's because he knows how to chika-chika sa mga kauban. Wala na ipaligoy-ligol pa. Good luck. So ako na lang kan. Good luck. So maragi na siya. Thank you. Kinasan usa sa mga person nga wala ko na-expect nga yun na dayang what you call this, kanang personality. It's because sa work is man siya kanang silent or serious, but then if mabani mo si outside is this person is also amazing, nakikchika-chika gini siya, di siya others. Dear Charo, hi, amping ka kanunay ha, labi na sa imong next journey. Salamat di ay sa mubo nga panahon nga nakahimamati ka. Nagmamahal Jessica Soho. Kisa ni. Anyways, thank you. Appreciate you guys big time. Oh, this person. Abi nako, dili ko mingawon nimo, miss. Every time man good na ay problema sa office, kay mo direct message ra ko nimo sa Teams. Karon kay wala na. Anyway, buotan and approachable kaayo ka na trainer. You also made us stay. Unsa daw? Amping, thank you. So sweet man oy. So another one is gini. Dear Queen, oh, so sweet one. It was an honor having you as our professor. It is indeed a long journey, but in your presence, I find myself inspired to strive for greatness and virtue. May your days be filled with prosperity and joy, with deepest respect and admiration. So sweet. Thank you. Ano ka na siya? Hinhin ka na siya may storya. And next is Busy Wap. Thank you sa tanan-tanan sa 2 years na experience. Salamat sa tanang tabang. Ikay pinaka the best support trainer. usa ra gyud akong mingawan nimo kanang magsumpa kita sa front. Bitaw, miss, good luck sa next journey. See you around. Yes, magsumpaki mi ani niya kay gahi sad kay siyang uusahay. Di mo to sa process ambot ani niya. But anyways, hope magkaban pa taning no soon. And uy, taas siya. Duha ka paper. Wait sa. Yani or baby separate ni siya. Oh, this person. I still remember the first time I saw you. You are so welcoming. That makes my heart at ease knowing this is my first BPO experience. And I heard a lot from other people that BPO is toxic. I didn't expect you to be one of my closest colleagues, that I even consider you as one of my trusted friends. It's hard for me to accept the fact that we no longer work at the same company anymore, but I am always after for your happiness and growth. Please know that I really do cherish you, and you'll be forever part of my life. I am forever grateful I got the chance to know you. Thank you so much. Thank you for being so genuine towards me. I won't bid my goodbye, just here around. By the way, you're invited to our house. Blessings. Oh, thank you. And of course, you're one of my guests on my intimate wedding soon as well. Oh, thank you. Nana ko invitation. I love you, miss. Oh, I love you too. Once a caliber, always a caliber. P.S. I want you to know that I love the nickname you've given to me. Yours. Hindi na ako i-mention ang name. So sweet. Wait, up. Thank you. This person is also one of the closest friend that I have in Caliber. So far, naging siya always that one call away friend. Hello, I wanted to thank you for all you have done for all of us. Sincerely, and I hope you have a bright and wonderful future ahead. Thank you. The wala kita kabanding so far since the beginning or since naabot ka sa Calaver, but I truly appreciate your kanang message and also you as a person, kay yours one of the kanang sweetest persons. Thank you. Kung saan hindi ko kakuan kabasa. Thank you and marami. Thank you ng marami sa training. You're welcome. Wala pa ta nakaband, but you're one of the persons sa newbie nga matagad yun ako. It's because they said kas na bero or yes, di kas na bero. Approachable. Hi, miss. I know we haven't got the chance to get to know each other really well, but I really appreciate you. I wish you the best and good luck with your journey. Mura kaila ko ani. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Next, I have anong nag-sorry? It's okay. Sorry, miss, if di ko kakuyog sa outing due to personal reasons, but I hope mag-enjoy mo. Thank you for the support and sa trainings. Good luck sa future plans nimo. Stay healthy always and I hope you'll be happy wherever life takes you. We will miss you. It's okay. So, no need to be sorry. I truly understand. Thank you sa message. Nakasabot man ko nga dili ka makakuyog sa mga outings. It's fine. Thank you. Ano nagsorry sad ni? Okay. So naapa ni siya atong nga time. Okay. Thank you sa tanan. Sorry if di ko mag-outbound. Bawi lang niya ang workforce pohon. Good luck sa new chapter. Thank you. Yes. Is one of the workforce. I call them workforce katong mga closer nga agents. Workforce kay nga naman usahay magbot-bot og break. But anyways, they are so kind people. So, another is from they said life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Wishing you a great journey and success in discovering what you love. Yes. Ikaw sad, good luck sa imong journey. I know you can do it. Just believe in yourself. Hindi siya handwriting. Kisa ni. Ulay name sad. Just wanted to extend my deepest and sincerest thanks sa imong pagka-team lead. You've been so patient, kind, and supportive all throughout. Your effort, guidance, and everything you've taught us really meant a lot. You made learning easier and the workplace lighter, and we really appreciate it. Wish you all the best, miss, and more success to come. Hoping na we'll cross paths again someday. Hopefully. Thank you. Dili ko maka-describe. Walay name, but thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hopefully magkaban pa tanin niyo po soon. Thanks for everything. Good luck and God bless. Love lots, ate. Thanks, ate. Sorry, ate. Di na ako maka-edit sa imong ipa-edit. If ever. I'm not sure if naapa ko na-miss sa imong mga chats sa Teams. But, hopefully, mag-ban pa tapon. Magkita. Jackie Chan, I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you for everything, especially for trusting and believing in me. This is not the end of our laags and I'm looking forward for many more. Of course, your cutie pie. Of course, laag-laag magkita pa tapuhon. And from Guapa. Thank you so much sa tanan sa mga laag. I've enjoyed the days nga naa ka sa Mysore. Take a rest and hope og asa man ka dalhon sa imo journey. Hope ma-enjoy ka. Yes. Hopefully. Thanks for everything. Buutan kayo ka. Stay healthy. Thank you. Kamusta? Stay healthy mo dira. I have pila na lang eh. 2 more left na lang. Wala ba ko na-miss? I think I still have. Wala ba ko na-miss? Gini. Then this one. Okay. Murag taas ni siya. Dali ara nimo ni Hawa uy, pero amping and good luck sa new journey. Mwah. Magbanding pa tayo eh. Puhon. Basta mag-invite lang muna ako. I'm just one call away. Ay, manan siya. Ako na nagibalik tayo. Gusto. Ay, this one is also done. Ay, nabalik na. Amazing. This one. Okay. Good na. So, one last message. Gcash. Ano na yung Gcash number? Wow, magpa-load. Go 99. Share maha. Tag-ana lang kung kinsa ko. Wow! Tall, dark, and handsome. By the way, enjoy sa imong life, Miss Amping Permi. Thank you sa pagsabot sa akong pagkabadlungon. Bisan sige ko ka overbreak. Bayo og lunch. God bless you always. Good luck sa imong new journey. My favorite song is I Live by One Republic. Kinsa ni? Thank you. Ulay name. Stag-anon ko na lang ni Kinsa mo. Ay. Nilupad. So these are all the message that I've got from the team. Thank you guys. So hopefully po magkita pa ta ninyo. And makaban pa ang tata mo. Like, I'm not sure if it's still possible. But hopefully makaban. Basta mang-invite lang muna ako. Thank you. I appreciate all your messages. Thank you guys. Pagamping mo always. Thank you.